This is Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, the Provincial Commissioner of the South African Police Service in KwaZulu-Natal. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the ex-user by the name of Chris Excel, who came up with an initiative to raise funds in support of the work that police are doing to keep criminals at bay. Although this original idea, supported by those who contributed the money, was to buy cars for myself, I appreciate the gesture and the thoughts of goodwill behind the idea of contributing money. I'm a civil servant, and the public already thank me enough through the salary that I receive every month. It is their taxes that compensate us as public servants. And I'm privileged to have been one of those chosen few to serve and protect the people of South Africa through my role as a police officer. I therefore would like to ask Chris Excel and those who donated the money to please deposit the money to the South African Police Educational Trust. This is a fund which pays for educational needs of the children of the members of the South African Police Service who died in the line of duty. Every year we gather in a union building in Pretoria where we commemorate the members that died in the line of duty. A majority of these members died at a very young age and the very junior ranks, and therefore they have not contributed that much in terms of their pension, leaving behind the children that need support from us. The South African Police Service Educational Trust Fund takes care of these children by contributing to their educational needs, and we have already seen some of these children who have graduated as a result of the support of this fund. It is the least that the police can do to support the families and the children of our fallen colleagues. This SAPS Trust Fund is run by an independent board of trustees under the leadership of the chairperson, Mr. Nhlanhla. If Chris and all donors are in agreement with the proposal, the money should then be deposited to the following account. It is the Nedbank account number 100-33-59825. I repeat, Nedbank account number 100-33-59825. Account name is SAPS Educational Trust. You can use your name as a reference, or you can put any reference that you so wish if you don't want to be known. I'm making a call to everyone who may be able to donate any amount of money to the SAPS Educational Trust Fund to do so for the noble cause of maintaining dignity and securing the future of children of police officers who get to be brutally killed while serving and protecting innocent South Africans. Thank you very much.